For today's quick tip, we're going to continue looking at some common keyboard shortcuts, and today we're going to be looking at the most common shortcuts that are used: cut, copy, paste. So very simply, select the text you want and to cut, or actually just copy. Let's start with copy. You'll do Control-C, and then you can just, again, paste it. Now let's say you want to remove that text. You can do Control-X to cut the text, and then let's say you want to place it somewhere else. You can then do Control-V to paste. So Control-C copies, Control-X cuts, Control-V will paste. And you can do the same whether you do copy or cut. You can then also paste the text from both of those commands. So cut, copy, paste.